Choosing the right fabric is essential for creating high-performance sportswear. In the world of sportswear, the fabric you choose is just as important as the design itself. It dictates comfort, performance, and durability. From moisture-wicking materials for breathability to four-way stretch fabrics for flexibility, each option is designed to enhance comfort and durability during physical activity. The perfect fabric ensures your custom sportswear meets both style and functional needs, balancing comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most versatile and beloved fabrics for sportswear, 100% cotton. 100% cotton fabric is a natural fiber that balances affordability and quality, making it a popular choice in garment manufacturing. While regular cotton is budget-friendly and suitable for large-scale production, premium options like organic or long staple cotton tend to have higher costs due to their superior properties. Overall, 100% cotton offers excellent value for its comfort, durability, and versatility, alongside a host of other advantages. 100% cotton fabric is prized for its softness, breathability, and moisture-wicking properties, making it incredibly comfortable to wear. This makes it ideal for t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and various other casual or activewear garments. Beyond comfort, cotton also stands out for its durability and incredible potential for creative design. Its inherent durability ensures long-lasting use, making it a sustainable choice, while its excellent dyeability allows for incredibly vibrant and creative designs. Whether you're looking for bold patterns or subtle hues, cotton can bring your design vision to life with stunning clarity. In today's world, sustainability is paramount, and cotton shines brightly in this regard. As a natural fiber, 100% cotton is biodegradable and environmentally friendly, minimizing its impact on the planet. Organic cotton in particular is highly favored by sustainable fashion enthusiasts due to its cultivation without harmful pesticides or chemicals. In conclusion, 100% cotton stands out as an exceptional choice for your custom sportswear needs. It effortlessly meets both functional demands for comfort and durability, as well as the aesthetic needs for style and design versatility. Ready to create your perfect custom sportswear? Book a one-on-one call with us today to discuss your vision. Contact us at +8 801 7 310 38135.